So all you need is a square piece of paper and some pens. Now you can see my paper isn't perfectly straight, but it should be fine. These are actually scrap bits of paper I've been using. Fold over to create a triangle. Do it as neat as you possibly can. It will make it easier later. Open up and repeat. So rotate and do it in the other direction. There we go. Open up again, and now you've got this nice cross. Now you need to bring this edge into the middle. Work as neatly as you can. It just makes it easier later. But to be honest, this is a very forgiving origami, and if you have the odd bits out of line, your final ghost will still look cute. There we go. Now I need to bring this line again into the center. And on this side, this line into the center. Now comes the only tricky bit of this craft, and hopefully if you've done your folds neatly, it shouldn't be too difficult. I'm going to open it. I'm going to pull this out, and you see this line that we creased earlier? I'm going to use that to fold and fold up. Did you see that? I'll show you on the other side. So open it up. You've got your crease from earlier. So bring that up, that crease, and fold down. That wasn't too bad, was it? Okay, now turn it around. Bring this edge into the middle. And then this edge again into the middle. Flip. Bring a little hand down and another one. Tuck the back in, that'll give you the head shape. And now you just fold this up. Doesn't really matter where, it's up to you. And then fold it down. That's your basic adorable ghost finished. And then of course we just draw on our favourite little kawaii faces. Now let's see the rest of his little family. Here they all come, spooky little ghosts. Aren't they adorable?